All of them share oxidation methods. Here only oxygen. This will be divided into water. This reaction may be reversed. Is that? There is a diagrammatic setup of microbial fuel cell. This microbial fuel cell also having the two kinds of compartment. First one is the anode compartment, second is the cathode compartment. Here the bio anode are used as the electrode. There is no specific electrode for that. Usually bio anode or bio cathode, bio electrodes may be used. Okay, bio electrode means if you take in algebra, algebra is the best reducing agent. So we can be made the electrode using the algebra. If you take in the hibiscus rosa sciences, what is that? Hibiscus rosa sciences is not that. Sempertiku, sempertiala. Okay, so sempertiku okay. Nella tilko, bada tilko, adare kuode. So if any one of the natural substance having a highly viscosity in nature, it should be the acting against reducing agent. Okay, so other changes in we can use as a bioelectrode. So algebra which algebra agent tilko. Viscosity adama bada okay, we can be used for the bioelectrode. So அந்த மாதிரி நேச்சுரலா அப்ளைன் பண்ற ஒரு materials which we can use the electrodes, both anode and also cathode. So in this microbial fuel cell, electrodes may be used as a bioanode and biocathode. That is of course fine. Second one, here two kinds of compartment is there. First one anode compartment, second one is the cathode compartment. In anode compartment it must be a keep on anaerobic condition. What is the meaning for anaerobic? Without air, that is called anaerobic. Okay, anaerobic condition that you keep all the microbes, bacteria and all the fermentation in the occurs here. Avel enna nadakkum? Methane, electrons and some of the carbon dioxide gases may be produced here from the organic wastes. Organic wastes na grow and the organic wastes using the organic wastes microbes undergo the fermentation reaction. So due to the fermentation reaction, which kinds of gases released? Methane, carbon dioxide, okay, that kind of gases may be electrons also released. Okay, so it will be flow by that is the semi-permeable membrane. Okay, using this semi-permeable membrane, ion may be flow from anode to cathode and electron flow from the okay, outer circuit. Okay, outer circuit மூலமா என்ன flow ஆகும்? electron flow ஆகும். Semi-permeable membrane மூலமா என்ன flow ஆகும்? Ions. Okay, ions may be flow from the anode to cathode. Here, that is the aerobic condition. Already we know that air means oxygen. Okay, so this oxygen accept the electron undergo the reduction. So reduction occurs here. Okay, due to this process, electricity will be used. Maximum these kinds of microbial fuel cells are used in a what is that municipal water treatment process and sludge waste treatment. Otherwise microbial fuel cells can be used. Okay, waste treatment and solid wastes. So that area should be undergo very effectively producing the electricity and also to clearing the water also. Water is clear பண்ணும். அது மட்டும் இல்லாம electricity produce பண்ணும். That are the big advantages of microbial fuel cell. So in the microbial fuel cell you must be know about some of the point. Again I will repeat this result. That is consists of two kinds of chamber. First one is the anode chamber, second one is the cathode chamber. In anode chamber keep on the anaerobic condition. In cathode chamber keep on the aerobic condition. In anode chamber all the microbes, bacteria, viruses will keep on into it. Okay, so here both electrodes are used as bioelectrodes. That means bioanode and biocathode. What is the meaning for bioanode, biocathode? Naturally attaining product. We can use that and make it the electrode that is called bioanode and biocathode. Okay, so I see some of the examples of paragraph, hibiscus rosa sciences. So using that component, we can make the electrode that is called bioanode and biocathode. Okay, so here the fermentation process occurs. So due to the fermentation process, what are the gases released? Methane, carbon dioxide, electrons and some of the gases may be organic gases may be released. Okay, so here both the compartment are separated by the semi-permeable membrane. So the organic wastes. To produce the electricity using the organic wastes. In organic wastes, number of bacteria, number of viruses will be present there. So using this microbacteria, we can produce electricity. Maximum these kinds of cells are used in a which sector? Solid waste management, okay, waste treatment process and municipal water treatment process.
Biogas.
So in the area we can use the microbial filter waste processing. So after this microbial filter over. Next one, hydrogen oxygen filter. That is act as a electrolyte. So what is anode? Our cathode and concentration cell பார்த்தோமா concentration cell இன் எந்த டைப் electrode electrode concentration because both are same electrode porous carbon heavy pressure heavy okay so both anode and cathode are porous carbon it should be consist of small amount of platinum Pt means platinum Pd means palladium Ag means silver okay this porous carbon should be consist of small amount of platinum palladium Pd means palladium Ag means silver okay so in the metals வந்து கொஞ்சமா இந்த porous carbon mix ஆயிருக்கும் porous carbon means that is the powder carbon within this powder carbon we have small amount of platinum palladium and silver okay now listen in anode compartment hydrogen gas is bubble so what happens oxidation occurs okay so here relating to electrons through this circuit and reach the cathode compartment here oxygen gas is bubble here which reaction occurs reduction reaction occurs listen overall reaction fuel plus oxygen we get the oxidation product plus electricity that is the overall product of the reaction enna react agum that is the fuel is the hydrogen oxygen is the oxygen fuel is the hydrogen oxygen is the oxygen so fuel plus oxygen we get the oxidation product plus electricity okay so see another reaction which gas is bubble here
H2 hydrogen
so we have been hydrogen plus 4 OH minus from engine barte OH minus
oxidation product
electrolyte so hydrogen gas plus 4 OH minus we get the water molecule 4 water molecule that is the anodic reaction so for H2 we get that is the fuel we have been sent out to the anode compartment OH minus we get from the electrolyte okay so H2 plus 4 OH minus we get water molecule that is the anodic reaction next one back to the cathode which gas is going gas oxygen so oxygen plus water plus 4 electrons these 4 electrons are located in the compartment anode compartment located agum and liquid electron create agum you have been taken care okay so oxygen plus water plus 4 electron we get the 4 OH minus so cancel the both anode and cathode reaction we get the final reaction so H2 plus OH is not producing so what is the final output electricity and also water we should be prepared by using this fuel cell maximum in ship this kind of fuel cell can be used because ship la enna kadikadhu ungalku water no ship la kadikadhu so our energy on water produce pannipanga electricity produce pannipanga somewhere in ships la இந்த fuel cell வந்து ரொம்ப மோசமா பண்ணுவாங்க okay again hydrogen written here that is the diagrammatic setup of hydrogen and oxygen fuel cell in should be consist of both anode and cathode compartment hydrogen are coupled to the anode compartment here hydrogen acts as a fuel oxygen is coupled to a cathode compartment here oxygen acts as a oxidizer okay so listen two kinds of electrodes are used same electrode that is the porous carbon electrode both anode and cathode it should be consist of small amount of platinum palladium and silver itself okay so in between the electrode 25% of KOH or NeOH are added here the KOH or NeOH act as a electrolyte so what is anode see what is anode porous carbon what is cathode porous carbon should be consist of okay what is electrolyte so oxygen in the compartment of bubbles That's all. The point is okay. This is hard. fuel, oxidizer and electrolyte within the cell. It acts as a voltaic cell, fuel, oxidizer and also electrolyte or keep on the cell. Cell குள்ளேயே இருக்கும் அந்த reaction நடக்கும். So what is voltaic cell? What is the working principle of voltaic cell? Voltaic cell என்ன? Electrochemical cell.
Daniel.
Working principle என்ன? Chemical energy is converted into the what is the working principle of voltaic cell? Chemical energy. So here the chemical reaction occurs, it should be converted into the electrical energy. So what is its main advantages? It should be very pollution free. Okay. So final output product is what is that? Water and also electricity. We can easily prepare water using the cell. Maximum these kinds of cells in artificial ships, submarines, etc. Okay. Next one, motor, rotor, brakes, next one, components.
My last
Brakes, transmission, battery, onboard charger, charge pump, power electronic controller, fluffy